Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Safinatul Fitriah. Today I'd like to give you an example how to pronounce phonetic symbols and sounds. So there are three divisions. They are vowel, diphthongs, and consonants. We start from vowel. E. E. English, business, pin. A. Exit, bat, hat. A. Apple, black, cat. Banana. Woman. Look, hood, coat. Clock, what, because. Cut, come, mother. Girl, hurt, word, burn. Car, art, heart. Board, door, small. C, B, people, receive. Two, blue, full. And now for the diphthongs, the examples are A. Take, pay, wait. I. 5, sigh, buy. Nice, boy, lawyer. No, road, broken. Round, renown, dot. Ear, here, dear, dear. Air, care, air. Poor, insure, tour. And now the consonants, the examples are P, play, stop, speak, power. B, bat, baby, big, object. Tan, later, little, pot. Day, advice, bad. Character, quick, taxi. God, exam, ignore, finger. Food, laugh, telephone. Vain, over, Stephen. Thin, earth, method, both. They, father, breathe, with. As, small, sins, sin, song. Zoo, goose, Cenovo. Shall, nation, machine. Genre, miser, fission. 8. Hot, hair, hole, whose. Moon, lamp, lamb. Can, snow, pneumonia. String, singer, singer, tongue. Chair, match, future. Just, general, H, soldier. Look, small, bottle. Aisle. Real, train, wrong, right. Yes, Europe, university. W, window, twin, quick, Y. Okay, so thank you very much for your nice attention. See you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.